Setting up a small business channel on YouTube can be a great way to make some extra money. Today, I will share how to make money on YouTube with small business channel. Before we begin, if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Creating a YouTube channel can be a great way to share your passions with the world or to share your knowledge on a particular topic. But before you can start uploading videos, you need to choose a niche for your channel. This can be something you are passionate about or something you are knowledgeable about. When it comes to starting a YouTube channel, one of the most important steps is choosing the right niche. This can be something you are passionate about or something you are knowledgeable about. By focusing on a specific niche, you can create content that is relevant and interesting to your target audience. To help you get started, here are a few tips for choosing the right niche for your channel. 1. Know your audience. Before you can decide on a niche, you need to know who your target audience is. Who are you trying to reach with your content? What are their interests and needs? 2. Choose a niche you are interested in. When you are passionate about a topic, it shows in your content. This will help you create high-quality content that your viewers will enjoy. 3. Choose a niche you are knowledgeable about. If you are already knowledgeable about a topic, you can create content that is informative and helpful to your viewers. This can help you build a loyal audience who trusts your advice. 4. Choose a niche that is growing in popularity. It's important to choose a niche that is growing in popularity, as this will help you attract more viewers. There are many different niches to choose from, so take your time and find one that is right for you. 5. Choose a niche that you can stand out in. In order to be successful, you need to find a niche that you can stand out in. This means creating content that is unique and different from what others are doing. By following these tips, you can choose the right niche for your YouTube channel and start creating content that your viewers will love. Once you've chosen a niche, do some research to find out what kind of videos are popular in that category. You don't want to make videos that no one wants to watch. Also, make sure you have the equipment and skills necessary to produce high-quality videos. Finally, create a channel trailer and start uploading videos. Be sure to promote your channel on social media and other websites, and you'll soon have a loyal following of viewers. When you're setting up your YouTube channel, it's important to use effective keywords and descriptions to help people find your content. You want to make sure your keywords are included in your title and in your tags, and you should also write a brief but engaging description of your channel. This will help people understand what your channel is about and why they should subscribe. You can also use your channel description to link to your website or other social media accounts. There are many ways to promote your YouTube channel. One way is to post your channel on social media websites, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can also post your channel on websites that are dedicated to helping people promote their YouTube channels. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.